Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back. In today's video we are going to talk about Notion versus ClickUp, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So here you can see that I'm on both the interfaces of Notion and ClickUp, and ClickUp and Notion are designed to be flexible and customizable solutions to best suit your workflow. They're both considered all-in-one productivity tools that combine Kanban style boards with time tracking, document management, collaboration and task management. Overall, ClickUp is more robust product. It has more than 90 features while Notion has 30 in its full version. ClickUp has more than 35 integrations while Notion supports only 15. Both have a bit of learning curve to absorb and utilize all their features fully. So let's dive into the features over here. You can see that you can get started for free by clicking over here in the ClickUp, and in the Notion you can get Notion for free by clicking over here. So here you can see that I'm going to dive into the pricing section in Notion and ClickUp. You can simply sign up over here if you want to. Let's go back to the interface over here. I'm just going to cross this over here, and here you just have to click get started, and then you have to put your email over here. I'm going to come back once I put my email. So let's dive into the pricing section for Notion and ClickUp. You simply have to click pricing over here, and I'm going to go to the pricing section of Notion too. In Notion, we get 4 plans that are free, plus, business and enterprise. The free one, you can just click get started over here and you're good to go. You get collaborative workspaces, integrate with Slack, GitHub and more, and basic page analytics, 7-day page history, and you can invite 10 guests. Then comes the plus one that's priced for $8 per user per month, billed annually. It has $10 billed annually. And then you can get started over here by clicking, and then you get everything in free and unlimited blocks for teams, unlimited file uploads, 30-day page history, and invite 100 guests. Then comes the business one that's priced for $15 per user per month billed annually and $18 billed monthly. You can get started by clicking over here, or you can request a trial. You get everything in plus, and you get a SAML SSO, private team spaces, bulk PDF export, advanced page analytics, 90-day page history, invite 250 guests. And then the last one is enterprise. That's advanced control and support to run your entire organization. You can request a demo by clicking over here, or you can request a trial by clicking over here. And you get everything in business and user providing advanced security and controlled, audit log, customer success manager, workspace analytics, unlimited page history, security and compliance integrations, and you can invite 250 guests. Now let's dive into the ClickUp pricing section. Here you can see that you get 4 plans again. One's for free, the second's unlimited, and then the most popular one that's business, and then the enterprise one. The free one is free forever. You just have to click over here and it's free forever. It includes 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, 2-factor authentication, collaborative docs, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat and Kanban boards, sprint management, calendar view, custom field manager basic, in-app video recording, and 24/7 support. And then you get this unlimited one that's best for small teams. That's priced for $7 per member per month. You can get started by clicking this pink button over here, and you get everything in free forever and unlimited storage, unlimited integrations, unlimited dashboards, guest with permissions, unlimited Gantt cards, unlimited custom fields, column calculations, email in ClickUp, teams, user groups, native time tracking, goals in portfolios, form view, resource management, agile reporting, and AI compatible. And then comes the business one that's most popular. It's best for mid-sized teams. That is placed at $12 per member per month. You can get started by clicking the blue button. Everything in unlimited and Google SSO, unlimited teams, custom exporting, advanced public sharing, advanced automations, advanced dashboard features, advanced time tracking, granular time estimates, timesheets, workload management, timelines and mind maps, and gold folders, and also it's AI compatible too. Then the last one is enterprise. It's mainly best for many large teams, and you can contact the sales by clicking over here. The features include everything in business and white labeling, advanced permissions, enterprises API, unlimited custom rails, team sharing for spaces, universal search, default personal views, MSA and HIPAA available, single sign-on, SSO, live onboarding training, customer success manager, access to managed services, and it's also AI compatible, and it's for US, EU and APAC data residency. While both have a bit of learning curve to get used to all the features they offer, ClickUp seems to hide more things on the interface as it tries to keep a clean looking dashboard. This can be frustrating for some to use and maximize all the features. Overall, users like the products and offer criticisms as a way to help the company make products even better. So the bottom line is both ClickUp and Notion are good productivity solutions for teams of all sizes. ClickUp wins with a slight edge, offering more features and integrations with other products. We would recommend trying the free version of each to see which platform is more intuitive for you to use and is better able to deliver on your productivity goals. Thank you for staying with me. I would like you to leave in the comment section which one would you go for and which one did you like. And see you again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.